If your SAP audit strategy is wait until SAP audits us, you're playing a dangerous and expensive game. Instead, build internal audits into your regular operations. At least once a year, ideally quarterly, you should run SAP's USMM and law tools to check your current license consumption. What will this reveal? Over-assigned licenses, engines nearing capacity limits, indirect usage growth. All the things SAP would find during an official audit. But by identifying them yourself, you're in control. If you discover a shortfall, you can either reclaim unused licenses or negotiate additional capacity on your terms, not SAP's timeline. One client we worked with caught an engine overage just before year-end. Instead of paying full list price under audit pressure, they negotiated a 30% discount by addressing it proactively. Routine self-audits create a culture of license hygiene and drastically reduce the risk of multi-million euro surprises down the road. Redress Compliance helps enterprises run proactive SAP license audits, interpret law results, and plan corrective actions before SAP ever gets involved. Don't audit reactively. Audit smart.